Well, hello from Legoland.
Happy New Year's. Almost.
I know. We have 1 hour left before they do the fireworks. We're really excited. We're kind of in our prime location for it.
Yes, and we're here to show you guys the fireworks. We didn't get our glasses yet. We might not get them. We will post the video from 4th of July down in the description so you can see them with bricks.
Yeah, and to my knowledge, this is the only theme park here in Orlando, sorry Bug, that is actually doing fireworks. Disney might do something special, we don't know, nothing's been advertised, but this is the only one that's actually been advertised.
Yes, if you're new here, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. Happy New Year, good 2021, hopefully it's better than 2020.
Please.
If you guys can please share with your family and friends.
Hit that bell notification because we do post a video every Tuesday and Thursday. Well guys, thank you so much. We really hope you guys enjoy this video. We really hope you enjoy the fireworks. And again, Happy New Year.
From our family to yours.
So one of the things that we missed when we came here was this lit up at night. I think it looks better than last time.
Yeah.
Cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy, cozy on me. We snuggled up together like two birds of a feather would be.
We're in the car, as
yeah.
usual.
Yeah.
It's so crowded.
It is. It was standing room only. Everyone was doing a very good job of social distancing for the most part. It was really awesome. But 2020 is a wrap.
That show was so good compared to the 4th of July one. Maybe it was this different area that we sat in.
Yeah.
Because we weren't right next to like rides and all that stuff. We were actually behind the ride that we like. We were behind the horses ride that we like that little area. But you couldn't hear much, which was fine. But the fireworks, like...
Yeah, it was awesome. They had big
loud.
boomers.
It like goes in your body. You're like, whoa.
Well, and the thing that I liked about too, today is a very clear night and the wind is blowing just right where it gets the smoke away from the fireworks. So like sometimes when you watch Disney fireworks, you can't see them because the smoke is so there, you know, from the fireworks. But guys, this was awesome. I enjoyed
really
it.
Cool. I'm glad we came.
Me too.
But Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. Hopefully 2021 is better than 2020.
We shall see. Happy thoughts. Everybody hopefully said Jumanji at midnight. Restart this.
Yeah, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.